How to post a long image on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type square image. Now tap on search once you're done. Now open up the first website, square image. Now scroll down. Now tap on choose an image. Now select your image. Again scroll down. Now adjust the blur range. Now tap on download once you're done. Now go back to the home screen and open up Instagram. Now tap on the plus icon. Now give the permissions. Now select post. Now select your photo and tap on next. Now tap on OK. Click on next again. Now tap on share to post. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.